There's a tremendous joy in listening, isn't there? There's joy in listening to another person. You get to learn something you didn't know. And in meditation, when you really get quiet and still and you listen, you experience something beyond words, beyond thoughts. Because that's where a lot of religion is for people. It's in thoughts. It's in, talking. It's in talking about God, and very little experience of. Even affirmations, in New Thought, we're familiar with affirmations and visualizing, affirming what you want, seeing what you want in your mind's eye, and we can experience joy in that, and I'm all for that. But words don't make God do something for us. Affirmations don't make God respond. What they do is they can align us in consciousness with this activity where our good is. Spirit is everywhere present. And when we affirm good, we're not making it happen. We're not going to make bags of gold fall out of the sky because we say, I am prosperous and successful. No, that helps align us with prosperity. We still have to take action, most likely. We've still got to follow ideas and train and develop and all that stuff. So even affirmations can become vain repetition, as Jesus said, if we're not connected with the source of power within our being. And that's what learning to get still and quiet can help us to do, is to connect with the source of power. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.